Just keep on looking. It's got to be here somewhere. Ugh. Katie! Hey, look, you found it! Katie?
Ice cream!
Well, we're gonna have to get Katie to a hospital. See. Says to induce value you don't want. You've got to say these magic words. Oh, darn it! It was ripped out. Katie? Ugh. Let's get you to a hospital. Wait a second. There's no... Darn it. There's no doctors there anyway, so might as well just keep you here. Katie? Oh my gosh, Katie. Where did you get those stickers from? Let's just leave with this book.